Oh, hi babe. Good morning. I know you're still sleepy and tinatamad ka pang bumangon, so I cooked our breakfast. I know that it's a big day for you, a busy day, kasi marami kang gagawin for today, marami kang nakaschedule, and for sure it's gonna be a challenging week, but yeah, that's why here's a power hug. Mm, mm. Oy, nag-toothbrush na ako Ikaw ngayong walang brush pa dyan eh. Kagigising mo lang eh. Kahit amuin mo pa. O, diba? Amoy Listerine yan. Kit-kit mo talaga. Lalo na pag bagong gising. Mhm. Ano yung niluto ko? Secret? Hindi, joke lang. Nagluto ako ng corned beef and fried eggs. And then, nagsangag ako ng kanin. So, yeah, it's ready na. Mhm. Of course. Siguro mga 2 AM ako nagising. That's okay, baby. I mean, I rested so much naman last night and of course, anything for you. I know it's your big day. Kinakabahan ka, but you know, mahal kita eh. Love mo rin ba ako? Hmm? 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 Love mo rin naman ako, di ba? Hmm? Cuddle muna? Okay, of course, of course. Pero, basta wag mo akong bubugahan wala ka pang brush. Joke lang, that's okay baby. Of course, kahit wala ka mang toothbrush, wala kang ligo, syempre love-love pa rin kita, ikaw na yan eh. Diba? Okay, here's your hug baby. Can I also kiss you? Mm? Mm-hmm. You like this? Mm? Well, I know it's your big day and whatever it is na pinaghahandaan mo, alam ko na you have exerted so much effort para sa araw na to. That's why today or right now, I want to remind you on how I am proud of you. I am so, so, so proud of you, my love. Okay? I'll be your number one supporter. I'll always be here to back you up and support you. Okay? Gusto mo pa ng isang kiss? Wow. You're extra sweet and clingy today, huh? I love it. Mm. 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 Basta ako lang pwedeng mag-kiss sa'yo, Tsaka parents mo. Tsaka pala mga kapatid mo. Pero aside from them, wala nang ibang pwede, okay? You know what, babe? I know na hindi naging madali yung preparation mo. Grabe yung puyat mo and yung effort mo. And yeah, considering na ang dami mo rin ginagawa. Diba? Ang dami mo mga personal tasks na kailangan tapusin, but here we are. Here you are. Look at you. Diba? It's gonna be a challenging week. It's gonna be a tough week, but you are tougher, baby. Okay? Always remember that. And kahit hindi mo man sabihin, alam ko at ramdam ko yung pagod mo. That's why, sobrang saludo ako sa iyo, mahal. I'm so proud of you. Kasi napagaling mo at napakasarap mong magmahal. Uy, ikaw Kung ano na naisip mo Ano kasi yun? Magmahal kasi yun. Masarap ka kasing magmahal. But you know what, baby? Kahit minsan na hindi mo na alam kung saan ka huhugot ng lakas, yet you still kept going. And for that. I'm proud of you. And actually, kahit ngayon na medyo kinakabahan ka, lagi mo ang sinasabi sa akin na kabado ka, di ba? But I know that you can do it, my love. Ikaw pa. Ang galing-galing mo kaya. Okay? But of course, okay lang yan. Normal lang naman na kabahan tayo. Because that means that you care. Di ba? It means na mahalaga sa'yo yung ginagawa mo. So, that's normal and that's valid na kabahan, syempre. But, huwag mo hayaang lamunin ka ng kaba, okay? Kasi, baby, I know na matagal mo tong pinagandaan and, yeah, you're amazing. You're intelligent. You're the brightest star. O hindi kita binubola. I'm telling the truth, my love. And pinapatawa lang kita but, alam kong kabado ka pero mas maganda kapag nakasmile ka. Smile ka nga. I love you. I love you so much. And one more thing, my love. Let me remind you of something. Well, you've done your part, okay? You have prepared. You have showed up. And today, you'll do it again. And I know you'll do amazing, as always. Well, hindi mo naman kailangan maging perfect. You just have to show up, baby. Give your best and trust yourself. Kasi everything that you need is already in you. Okay? Your knowledge, your skills, your confidence. Andiyan na yan lahat eh. Kailangan mo na lang mag-show up, okay? And if ever man na magkamali ka, that's okay. Mistakes don't erase your efforts. Hindi nun binubura yung sipag mo. Kaya, wag mo masyadong i-pressure yung sarili mo, okay? And, of course, I'm already proud of you. No matter what happens. Basta mahal, make sure that you also rest, ha? I know na gusto mong i-cram lahat. Lahat ng pwede mong tapusin. Pero, importante rin ang pahinga, okay? Yung utak natin, parang muscles din yan. Kailangan ng pahinga para gumana ng maayos, okay? Kaya kung natapos mo na yung kailangan mong tapusin or kahit minsan may mga kailangan ka pang kumpletuhin, once in a while you need to take a deep breath. Inhale. And exhale. Okay, let's do it again, baby. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. You like it? You don't have to carry this alone, baby. I'm here. I'm with you. Palagi. Okay? And today, since it's the start of your week, I want you to begin this day na buong-buo yung puso mo. Kaya, smile ka naman dyan kahit konti lang. Kain ka ng masarap. Nagluto ko ng masarap. Keep the faith. Pray ka kay Lord. And yeah, you can do it, baby. And then face the day with courage. Because, my love, I believe in you. I believe in your dreams. And I believe in what you're capable of doing. Okay? So, I want you to imagine this. You walk into that room. You open your bag, your notebook. You check your laptop. And you take the first step out of this house. Confident, calm, and composed. Okay? And then you do your thing. You write, you speak, you answer, you present, you shine. Not because everything is perfect, but because you are doing your best, baby. And I swear, if only I could be there physically to hold your hand or hug you tight before you go in, I would. Pero kahit wala man ako dun bukas, or kahit hindi mo man ako marinig habang andun ka, just know na I'm cheering for you, baby. Silently or out loud. I'm proud of you, my love. I'm praying for you, and I am sending all the good energy that I can, okay? So remember, you're not alone in this, my love. Kahit gaano pa kabigat yung dala mo, may partner kang kakampi mo. And of course, that's me, baby. And when it's all done, pagtapos ka na bukas, whatever the result is, uwi ka sa akin, okay? And sabihin mo sa akin how it went. Let's celebrate your effort, your strength, and your journey, okay? Gusto mo bukas mag-milk tea tayo? Ice cream? Mag-date? Or gusto mo lang ng tahimik na yakap habang nagkikwento ka? Kahit ano, baby. Basta kasama mo ako, okay? At kung sakali mang may lungkot or konting frustration ka, I'll be here to remind you na hindi natatapos ang mundo sa isang araw lang, okay? Hindi nasusukat ang worth mo sa isang exam, sa isang report, or sa isang task. Because you are more than that, my love. You are worthy, loved, and appreciated, just as you are. So, ngayon, the best thing that you can do ay bumangon and have our breakfast, okay? Bago pa lumamig yung corned beef tsaka yung itlog. Okay? You've done enough, baby. And today, you will do great. Mahal na mahal kita. And I am cheering for you always. Let's go. Tara na. Bangon na. I love you.